everyone, and welcome back to my beauty channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine and I do all kinds of beauty videos, but mostly makeup videos and unboxing videos. So if you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really recommend you to do that. And like, comment, hit the bell, turn on the notifications so you don't miss my future videos. But today we're going to unbox the Goodiebox of April. Yeah, of April. I have an affiliate link in the description box, so if you use that you get 25% off your first box. This isn't collaboration or anything, I just really recommend it, and it's an affiliate link. So Goodiebox is beauty subscription. You receive a box monthly with different themes. The box looks different each month. You can receive a box with prints, you know, different shades and colors and all of that. Well, it's pretty much like Glossybox or BoxyCharm, but I really prefer this subscription over others. Yeah. With no further ado, let's get into this unboxing. Pink box. It almost matches my shirt. Almost. Cute. This would look really great in you know, girly room, makeup room, something like that. So pretty. You have Goodiebox printed on the top. You can, you know, pull it, drag it out, pull it out. And yeah, I always save these and organize stuff in them. They're perfect for that. Okay, it smells really much. So this is the box. First of all, we have a description paper, so you can see all the information about the products you receive in the box, prices and how to use them and yada yada. I'm going to read these afterwards, after I, you know, open the actual box, so we can figure some stuff out. Really cute wrapping paper. I just unwrapped it a bit like that, and I reach for one product at a time, talk about it, and then we move on to the next product. Okay, I haven't seen any sneak peeks or anything, so I have no idea what's inside of this box. Okay. Dry shampoo, instant fresh up, extra fresh, clean and crisp, clean and fresh. Okay, a lot of fresh in that description. Got to be Swarkov, you say that? Vegan formula, 100 milliliters. I think it's the first time we receive a small product from a not so expensive brand, but I'm fine with it. I actually just used all my dry shampoo, so perfect to try another one. Maybe this will be good for my hair, because some dry shampoos actually dry out my hair or my scalp too much, so yeah, it looks disgusting. So we'll see. Next product. Okay, what do we have here? This looks expensive. Hyaluronic acid concentrate, Hygien's Paris, Le Serum que révèle la peau. Okay, I don't know. Okay, 50 milliliters, vegan. That looks so damn cute. You have this pimpette thing. It looks expensive, it looks fresh, serious. Okay. I like that everything is green. Next product, MCO Beauty Glow Highlighter. And it's cruelty free. To be honest with you, I don't like this brand. We receive a lot of highlighters and stuff from them, liquid highlighters in the Glossybox subscription boxes, and I don't like them. I think they're like, you know, not the best quality, and I prefer a powder highlighter, but I guess I have to give it a try. I'm actually a bit surprised that we received this in Goodiebox. I hope, because we have a bit of a different mix in this box than we usually have, and I'm a bit scared. I hope they're not on their way of being like Glossybox, because I don't like Glossybox. But it's fun to receive a makeup product, of course. Let's hope we don't receive more from this brand. Yeah, it's a rose, 14 grams. Moving on, have some kind of skincare. Able Skincare London 3-in-1 glycolic acid molecular boost eye serum, 50 milliliters. So I guess it's a full size probably, because it's eye cream and they're usually very small. It's it's cruelty free, not vegan, cruelty free. Apply in the morning and evening onto clean, dry skin around the eye area. Blah, blah, blah. Able Skincare. I don't use eye creams. I think I'm still a bit young for that. But in the future, maybe I will probably give this away. But I can see that people would appreciate receiving this. Some people use it, a lot of people. So always good to include in a box, you know, some skincare, more expensive skincare. Eye creams are usually very expensive, so that's nice. Next, what is this? Wing Woman, nourished and licorice root and blackberry extract, the beauty crop, liquid eyeliner, no parabens, no mineral oils, nourished with licorice root and blackberry, no phthalates. Okay, don't really understand that. A jet black liquid eyeliner injected with licorice root and blackberry, blah blah blah. And then a pen. Creates perfect, budge-proof and precise line close to the lashes. I love the packaging. That's the cutest ever. Should we open? I'll have to use it like soon if I open, but come on, I do it for you guys. So we just have a black sleek packaging. That's the tip. Well, that's like really precise and small. Yeah, and it's black. I like that. I'm definitely going to use that. It's already dry. That's like really good. Okay, excited. Okay, that's really exciting. One more product. And Figs and Roche. Is it a primer? Hydra Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream. I think I have that already. Blush Pink. I'm not sure, so I'm not going to open it. I need to check upstairs. I've had some mixed thoughts about these brands because I receive a lot from them in my glossy boxes, so I feel like, oh, if you receive them too much, maybe they aren't that good, because why do they have to include their products in all of the beauty subscriptions? I mean, are they that bad, or is it just their marketing? I don't know. So I had some mixed thoughts, but I actually used this Hydra Matte Pore Correcting Velvet Cream. It's the same name. Well, I use it as a primer, and it's the same name, but this is more of a pink, blush pink, so I don't know. Why would you want a pink cream? That's weird, right? I also have this blurring primer from them. I also have these drops, so I have a lot of products from them, never bought them by myself. These were included in some kind of beauty box. We'll see. Maybe I'll use it. We also included some kind of discount code. Okay, so that's all of the products. Let's read about them. This is how the description paper looks like. Able Skincare Full Size 3-in-1 Glycolic Acid Molecular Boost Eye Serum. Recommended price around $86. That's expensive. Like really expensive. It's like a double espresso for tired eyes. It's nourishing and it's been created to prevent puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. Apply on cleansed skin before heavier creams. I said it looked expensive. And I was right, man, okay? MCO Beauty Full Size as well. Glow Highlighter Stick. Recommended price $25. It gives your face a natural glow. The formula lasts extra long. It's very creamy and it melts into the skin. Apply with patting motions in the face, blah blah blah. You can also apply it on the body. Hygens Hyaluronic Acid Concentrate. Recommended price $40 for 30 milliliters. And what is this? 15, so it's not a full size. Yeah, it contains a lot of good stuff or ingredients. Take 3 drops on your fingertips and massage it into your face before heavier creams. The Beauty Group Wing Woman Liquid Eyeliner Full Size retails for around $15. This is your new partner in crime. It's perfect for winged eyeliner. Yeah. So it just explains how to get a thicker line. You should press it harder. Okay, next product, Figs and Roche Full Size Hydro Matte Pore Correct Velvet Cream Blush Pink. Recommended price $30. Say goodbye to your shiny T-zone. It gives you a perfect base for makeup. You can also use it as a moisturizer for creating a nude matte look. I'm happy with that. Last product, Got2b Dry Shampoo Extra Fresh. Recommended price $8 for 200 milliliters, and the product we received were 100 milliliters, so it's not a full size. Say goodbye to oily hair. It cleanses and it freshens up the hair. It has a nice scent and it doesn't leave these white patches on your hair. Shake the bottle and spray it on 30 centimeters distance. Okay, so this is the upside down box. So they write about doing things differently and stuff. And I don't know if that's why I feel like they have a lot of, not weird, but they have included products that I never thought I would receive in a goodie box. So yeah, I don't know. But I'm really happy with the eyeliner, the eye cream, even though I'm not going to use it, and the serum. These 3 feel like typical goodie box products. The other 3, I don't know, they feel like Glossybox products, but I mean, we received 6 products in total, so that's amazing. So that's all of the products in this month's box. I'm happy overall. It's still a good box. I love the pink color on the box. Cute. And you can't love all of the products every month. That's impossible. They have to satisfy more than one person. So of course, sometimes it's a flop and sometimes it's amazing. So yeah, that's everything for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course hit the bell and turn on the notifications so you miss my future videos. See you in the next one. Bye!